Good morning, students. Here I am, Miss Tania, again with you all with Act 1, Scene 3 from line number 122 to 176. As we have seen in the previous lines, that what Shylock and Antonio they were arguing with each other. Shylock was reminding him about his previous Antonio's previous act, that what he has done to him in the Rialto. You can see here there are three characters again here in the remaining scene: Antonio, Shylock, and Bassanio. So we are going to start from line number 122 onwards. Here, when Shylock says to Antonio about his previous time, what Antonio, how he has insulted him, then Antonio says, I am as like to call thee so again. He says that again I will call you in the same way, means again I will call you dog. I will spit on thee again to spurn thee too. And said, I will spit on you again, I will spit on you, I will push you aside. If thou will lend this money, lend it not. He said, whether if you are going to lend me money or you do not lend it, as it would do to a friend. He said, whether you will give me money or not, it's up to you. But I am not going to change myself. As to thy friends, for when this friendship take a breed for barren metal of his friend, but lend it rather to thine enemy. He said, when did a friend lend money to a friend in order to make a financial profit? He said, if you are lending me money as a friend and gaining to get the profit, lend the money to me as if I were your enemy. Don't give me the money thinking that I am your friend, but lend me the money thinking that I am your enemy. Who, if he break, thou mayst with better face exact the penalty. He said, if I should fail to abide by your contract, if I fail to give back your money, you shall exact the penalty from me. I will give you whatever penalty you say. But you have to give me the money not like a friend, but give me as an enemy. Then Shylock says, why look so? How you storm? Shylock said, now you see how you lose your temper. He said, you are so short tempered. I would be friends with you and have your love. Forget the shames that you have stained me with. He said, I would like to have your friendship and love. You are my good friend and I love you for that. And forget the shameful things you have done to disgrace me. He said, whatever you have done to me, just forget about it. Supply your present wants and take no doubt of usance for my monies, and you will not hear me. This is kind I offer. He said, I will give you what you have asked for. He said, I am not going to put you in shame, or I am not going to take any enmity from you. I am going to give you whatever you ask without taking a small interest on my money, and I am not going to take any interest. But you do not listen to me. It is kindness that I offer. He said, you are not ready to listen to me. I offer you the kindness. I am not offering you the penalty, or I am not asking you for anything else. I am offering you the kindness. Bassanio says, this were kindness? Bassanio said, that would indeed be kindness. He said, if you do so, it will be really a kindness. Shylock says, this kindness will I show. He said, I will show you this kindness. Go with me to a notary. Now, children, what is notary? Notary is a place where a special lawyer is there for drawing up the contracts. Like if you have, like for example, in your family, if there is a property and you are going to put it for sale, so you cannot do it like that. In whose name it is, you have to take that paper, you have to go to the notary, to a special lawyer, you have to get it signed, and then it will come to you. Means notary, a special lawyer should be there. So Shylock said, first go with me to the notary, seal me there your single bond. And what to do there? And there put your signature on the bond, and in a merry spot, if you repay me not on such a day, and for a pleasant joke we will make an agreement. Now see, here Shylock plays a trick. He here says that let us go to the notary and we will sign a bond. And he is reacting, or you can say he is acting in a way that it is nothing something very great. It is just a kind of merry spot, just a kind of joke thing that you are just going to do. I am not going to put you any, or I am going to put you in any trouble. He says, in a merry sport, if you repay me not on such a day, in such a place, such sum or sums as are expressed in the condition, let the forfeit be nominated for an equal pound. He said, we will make an agreement. The agreement will be what? If you do not pay me the money involved in this transaction, means 3000 ducats, on the fixed day and on an agreed place, let us specify as the penalty. He said, if you are not going to give me 3000 ducats within 3 months of time and on the stipulated date, be nominated for an equal pound of your fair flesh to be cut off and taken in what part of your body pleases to me. He said, then be ready. As a penalty, I will take an exact pound of your flesh to be cut off and taken away from whatever part of your body I choose. He said, whichever part of body I like, I will take from there a pound of flesh. So that is the bond. Now you can understand what is the bond signed by Shylock. The bond stated that if Antonio fails to pay the money within the stipulated time, then Shylock will take a pound of flesh from any part of Antonio's body, whichever pleases him. Antonio says, content I faith, I will seal you to such a bond and say there is much kindness in the Jew. Antonio said, certainly I agree to this bond. I will sign this bond and say that Jew is very kind. He said, I will sign it. Now Antonio was, you can see in this place, Antonio was overconfident. He was not seeing the bond, what it was written. He was overconfident, says, I will sign the bond and I will say you are very kind to me. Then Bassanio say, you shall not seal to such a bond for me. I will rather dwell in my necessity. Now Bassanio had a thought. He thought that this bond is really very much difficult, and if Antonio fails to do so, then Antonio have to suffer for me. So Bassanio says, no, you don't sign this bond. I would prefer to live with my necessity. I would prefer to live in whatever condition I am. Antonio said, why fear not, man? I will not forfeit it within these 2 months, that a month before this bond expires. I said, don't worry, my dear. Within this month, I will not take 2 months also. Before that, this bond expires, I do expect return of thrice 3 times the value of this bond. He said, that much money I have, I will get that before this bond expire. I am ready to get back 9 times the value of this bond. He said, I will give 9 times the money. That much money I can manage. So you not to worry, because Antonio loves Bassanio a lot. He was his dear friend. He never wanted because of him Bassanio should suffer. So Shylock said, oh Father Abraham, what these Christians are, whose own hard dealing teaches them suspect. Now Shylock was watching and listening to both of them. He said, oh Father Abraham, these Christian people, they cannot make a deal also. They have suspect. The thoughts of others, pray you tell me this, if he should break his day, what should I gain? Now Shylock played here again. He said, just tell me one thing. Tell me, I request you, if he is unable to pay me on the due date, what I am going to gain or what I am going to get by taking such a penalty. Now did you see how Shylock played here? He just made Bassanio to remind that, see, if he is not going to pay also, what I am going to get from a pound of flesh. By the exaction of the forfeiture, a pound of man's flesh taken from a man, he said, I am going to take a pound of human flesh, not of any value as mutton, beef or lamb. He said, if I would have taken the flesh of a mutton, of a goat, of a beef, then I would be in a profitable condition. But taking a pound of flesh of a man, what profit I am going to get? I say to buy his favor, I extend this friendship if he will take it. So if not, adieu. And for my love, I pray you wrong me not. He said, if you are going to accept it, then it's all right. If not, friendship that I make this offer. I said, I have made this offer out of friendship, not for any gain. If you are accepting it, it is okay. If not, then goodbye. But do not be unfair to me for offering this act of love. But don't be unfair. I am offering this act of love out of my friendship, nothing else. Antonio said, "Yes, Shylock, I will seal unto this bond." He said, "Yes, Shylock, I will sign the bond." Shylock, "Then meet me forthwith at the notary. Give him direction for this merry bond, and I will go and purse the ducats straight. See to my house, left in the fearful guard." He said, "Yes, now go to the notary office. Tell about this funny bond. I will go home and put the ducats at once in my purse." He said, "I am going to take the money, put it in my purse, and see to my house, left in the fearful guard of an unthrifty knave." Now you must remember this word here, unthrifty knave. Unthrifty means unreliable, spendthrift servant. Here Shylock is talking of his servant who is Launcelot. He is Shylock's servant. You will hear about this servant in the coming act. So here he says, "I have left my house in the guard of a fearful person. He is an unreliable spendthrift, and presently I will be with you. Soon I will be with you." Antonio, "He the gentle Jew." Antonio said, "Okay, hurry up, gentle Jew. And the Hebrew will turn Christian, he grows kind." Now Antonio said the Jew will become Christian. He is becoming so generous. He is talking so kindly. Bassanio, "I like not fair terms and a villain mind." He said, "I do not like to trust the kind words." He said, "I am not ready to trust him. His kind word uttered by one with a mind of villain." His mind is so villain way mind, evil, like devilish mind, and his words I cannot trust. Antonio says, "Come on. In this there can be no dismay. My ships come home a month before the day." Antonio said, "Not to worry, Bassanio. My ships will be back in a month before the day which has been agreed upon this bond. Not to worry, before this 3 months my ships will be here, and I will be ready to pay him the money." So this way Antonio pacified Bassanio. Bassanio in his mind, he was not ready to trust Shylock. Shylock at the time, he was playing his revenge. He was playing his through his mind, to his devilish mind, to take the revenge from Antonio. I hope you all understood. Now what you have to do, you have to do the question answers in the workbook. Whatever is there, in if any doubt, you can go on, you can ask to me and query about that.